Hello viewers, myself Dr. Rachna, homeopathic physician, chronic disease specialist. Today I am telling you about ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, for homeopathic treatment who does complete cure without any side effect. What is acute lymphoblastic leukemia? Means acute lymphoblastic leukemia is a type of blood cancer that start in the white blood cells in your bone marrow, the soft inner part of your bones. Its development from the immature lymphocytes, a kind of WBC, white blood cells, that's key to your immunity system. ALL is also known as acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Acute means it's get worse quickly. It's a rare type of leukemia, means it's get leukemia or blood cancer in adult, but that most common type of in children's. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia, your blood can spread to other organs such as your kidney, liver, spleen, lymph nodes, but is usually doesn't make tumor like other type of cancer. Causes of ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Exactly don't know cause of ALL, but some research has found that the certain things risks such as high level of radiation, chemical like of benzene, solvent used in oil refineries, cigarettes smoke, some cleaning product, detergents and paint strippers. Infections with the human T cells, lymphoma, leukemia virus 1, HTLV1 or Epstein-Barr virus EBV, heavy medications, condition that tied to your genes, being white and being male. Symptoms of ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia: fatigue, fever, loss of appetite, weight loss, night sweat, tiny red spots just under your skin, stomach pain, bone pain, bleeding gums, easily bruising, infections, nose bleeding, pallor, red spots on skin, swelling lymph nodes. Many symptoms happens become your body in the reacting to the lack of healthy blood cells. Leukemia cells can the crowd them out in your bone marrow. Lack of red blood cells many cause fatigue, weakness, dizziness, light headache, feeling cold, shortness of breathing. Without enough healthy white blood cells in your body, you may have the fever and more infection usually. Lack of platelets, tiny cells that help your blood clot, many cause lot of the bruising for the no clear reasons and frequently of the severe nose bleeding, bleeding gums, other usually bleeding such as the form minor cuts, and depending on where the leukemia cells are, you might also have a full or swollen belly from the cancer cells in your liver and spleen, enlarged lymph nodes such as your neck and groin, underarms are the above your collarbone, bone are the joint pains, headache, trouble with the balance, vomiting, seizures of bluish vision if the cancer has the spread to your brain, trouble breathing is it is spread to your chest. Diagnosis and investigation of ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. For the diagnosis, doctors will check the physical examination to look for the swelling lymph nodes, bleeding, bruises, and signing of the infections. If your doctor suspect the leukemia, that may do test such as like blood test like CBP, bone marrow test, imagination test, X-ray, CT scan, ultrasound, spinal tap known as the lumbar puncture test. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia, conventional treatment such as remission, induction therapy, consolidation therapy and chemotherapies, targets therapies, radiation therapies, immunotherapies and stem cells transplant therapies. These are the conventional treatment procedure. But homeopathy is an alternative treatment, no side effect, no any harms during homeopathic treatment. No need for any therapy in homeopathy treatment, but investigation is needed as far as during treatment. Because homeopathy has the completely cure cancers, homeopathy treatment is a long-lasting treatment because these diseases is a life-threatening disorder. Now I am telling homeopathy medicine's name. First name is Conia maculatum. 202 times a day for 12 weeks. 4 pills morning empty stomach and 4 pills night after food before going to bed. Conium makes signing symptoms are enlargement lymph nodes, nose bleeding and fatigue like fever, red skins and slight itchings is appear that you can use the Conium maculinum. Second medicines for homeopathy ALL Asterias rubens mother tincture 15 drops 3 times a day, half cup water, warm water included this 15 drops morning empty stomach before lunch and after food. These are I am telling this video is 2 medicines. This medicine is common medicines for in homeopathy for LL and is depending on signing symptom. If you want to get cure completely, please consult nearby homeopathy physician. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, request to you please subscribe this my channel. Push bell icon, like and share.